Hello children, let's learn about wild animals. Name this animal. This is an elephant. This is a lion. I am a, yes children, I am a panda. I am a fox. This is a, yes children, this is a deer. I am a, yes, I am a bear. This is a koala. Koala. Oh, what is this? This is an iguana. Iguana. This is a tiger. Tiger. It has a very long neck. It is a giraffe. Giraffe. Ooh, this is a snake. Snake. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.